Hi, in this video, we're going to be talking about the sum of angles in polygons. So polygons have two kinds of angles. We've got exterior angles down here, and this top one is referring to interior angles, the angles that are inside of that shape. Now, it doesn't matter what polygon you've got. If you take all of the exterior angles of a polygon, you're going to get 360 every single time. But if you're looking at the interior angles, so these little angles that are inside of there, it's going to be different every time. It's going to be based on how many sides that shape has. You're going to subtract 2, and you're going to get 180. The multiply by 180. Subtract 2, multiply 180. So let's just try it out. Decagon is talking about a shape that has 10 sides. So if we wanted to do the exterior angles, I don't have to do anything fancy. It's going to be 360 degrees. I don't even have to check. It's just 360 for the exterior angles. The interior, though, I have to do this little formula. The interior sum equals 10 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So that is 8 times 180. So that's going to be 1,440 degrees for my interior sum. So my interior is this, and my exterior is always 360 degrees. Now, what's cool is this can also be used in reverse. We know that the interior sum is 1080, so we know 1080 was what was gotten from doing that n minus 2 times 180. So we can figure out how many sides this polygon has using this little formula here. So I'm going to divide by 180 rather than distribute. I could have distributed, but I don't want to. So that gets me 6, n minus 2, and then I can add this 2 to the other side. So we get n equals 8. So since n equals 8, the polygon has 8 sides, because that n is the number of sides in the polygon. All right. And in these ones, I got to do a little bit more solving. So I want to figure out what the value of x is on this thing. However, I don't know how many degrees there are in this shape. Fortunately, I've got this formula to help me out. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So the sum is going to be 5 minus 2 times 180. So that's 3 times 180, which equals 540. So I know my total equals sum of parts. So 540 has got to equal all of those angles added together. So I got to add up this and this and this and this. And this thing, that not right angle right there, that little corner, means 90 degrees. So that's going to be x plus 82 plus 135 plus 135 plus that 90 degrees. And that I can use to solve for my missing x guy. So 82 plus 135 plus 135 plus 90. Putting all that into my calculator, I get x plus 442 equals 540. I got to subtract 442 from both sides. 540 minus 442, we get 98. So that is the value of x. Let's do that one more time. Over here on this one, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So my sum is going to equal 4 minus 2 times 180. So that's just 2 times 180. Oh, I can do that. That's 360. So for my total equals parts, I've got 360 should equal all my bits added together. I got an x, a 3x, a 3x, and an x. So x plus 3x plus 3x plus x. So I solved my thing. I got 360 equals, I got 1x plus 3x is 4x's plus 3 more x's is 7x's plus 1 more x. I got 8x. So then I can just divide both sides by 8. 360 divided by 8, we get 45 is my value of x. All right, our last theorem is talking about regular shapes. So for regular shapes, that means all the sides and angles are congruent. If we want to do the interior angles, we do our same sum, but then we're going to divide that by the number of sides because the interior angles all got to be the same. So we're going to divide by n to make sure that all the angles are the same. Evenly distribute or divvy up our degrees. For a regular exterior angle, the exterior angles is always 360 degrees, their sum. And then again, we're going to evenly distribute those angles by dividing by the number of sides that we got. So if we've got a dodecagon, if it is regular, has 12 sides. Well, a dodecagon always has 12 sides, but if it is a regular polygon, all those sides and angles are the same. So if we wanted to do the exterior angle, we would just take 360 and divide it by 12, and this would give us the size of each exterior angle. We get 30 degrees for our exterior. To do the interior, we've got to do this formula up here. So that is 12 minus 2 times 180 divided by the number of sides we got, which is still 12. So this equals 10 times 180 divided by 12. I'm just going to type all that in my calculator here. And I get 150 degrees for my interior angles. Every angle, all 12 of those angles will be 150 degrees. If I have an 18gon, that means I have 18 sides, but we're still going to do that same thing. My exterior is going to be 360 divided by 18, which gets me 20 degrees for each exterior angle. To do my interior angles, I need to do 18 minus 2 times 180 divided by that same 18. These numbers will be the same because they're the same up here. And so that's going to be 16 minus, oh, nope, it's just 16 times 180. 16 times 180. Sorry about that. Divided by 18. I get 160 degrees for my interior. There we go. Sorry about that. Sorry about the mess right here. So the important thing you want to be thinking about is that if you're looking for your interior angles inside of a polygon, it's always going to be that n minus 2 times 180. The exterior angle sum is just always going to be 360 degrees on every polygon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.